At home, family members say an 89-year-old woman is one of 2 COVID-19 victims at a Davidson County nursing home.
Now her family is speaking out to warn others after they say she wasn't given a fighting chance. Fox 8's Michelle Wolf joins us live outside Austin Brook in Lexington. Michelle?
Evelyn Helms has been a resident here since 2016, and her family tells me in those 4 years they've never had a problem with her care here at the facility until last week.
She had a contagious smile. She was very vibrant, thriving, 89, spunky. Everybody loved her.
Pictures and memories are all Casey Gallimore has left of her grandmother, Evelyn Helms.
She was just a pleasure to be around. And then she's going to be greatly missed.
Last week, Casey's family called Austin Brook to check on Evelyn, a daily ritual after not being able to visit in person because of COVID-19 restrictions. They were told she had a UTI that was being treated. The following day when they called, they found out she was on oxygen.
We asked numerous times if a COVID-19 test could be taken from day one because we knew that there were positive tests in the nursing home.
The president of the nursing facility confirms with Fox 8 that there were positive cases, but would not say if staff or patients tested positive.
They were on different halls. They said that she had not been exposed to the COVID-19. They had locked the door to that hallway, and we were told that she did not have symptoms of COVID-19.
Within days, Casey says her grandmother's health declined. They say the otherwise healthy woman was taken to Wake Forest Baptist Medical Center.
She was so bad that her kidneys were shutting down.
Evelyn was admitted to the COVID-19 floor and could barely breathe. She passed away the next day, leaving Casey and her family heartbroken and confused.
I don't believe she got the care that she should have gotten.
Casey's family thinks Evelyn had COVID-19 while she was being treated for a UTI at the nursing home and are waiting for her medical records.
She could have had a fighting chance. They were all my grandmother's voice, and it's not going to bring her back, but it may save somebody else's grandparent, grandma, and grandfather.
The president of Austin Brook tells me they are testing for COVID-19. She would not specify if those positive or if those people being tested are patients or just people with symptoms or not. She says the residents who passed away had major underlying health conditions, but Evelyn's family told me she had Alzheimer's. She was otherwise healthy. When I asked what the protocol is when someone tests positive for coronavirus, I was told that information would not be released. Live in Lexington, Michelle Wolf, Fox 8 News.